Welcome back, Voyagers. Today we will look at standardization, value analysis, value engineering, and Mendelow's matrix. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more entertaining educational videos. Let us imagine that we want to improve our coffee shop operations. Enhancing specifications can streamline operations and maximize value. Here's how. Standardize. Opt for standardized products or services to simplify procurement. Value analysis and engineering. Assess and engineer for optimal value and cost. Standardization can happen at 3 levels. 1. Parts and components. Standardize the small pieces used across products. 2. End products. Ensure the final products have common standards. 3. Manufacturing processes. Standardize how products are made. By applying these methods, you can create a more efficient, cost-effective production line that delivers high-quality products to users. Each level of standardization helps reduce complexity, lower costs, and improve compatibility across your offerings. Now let us dive deeper into each of those methods. Dr. David M. Anderson highlights several benefits of standardization across different levels. Cost reduction. Standardization helps lower purchasing costs through bulk buying, reduces inventory and floor space needs, simplifies the ordering process via Kanban systems, and cuts overhead costs. Quality improvement. It enhances product quality and fosters continuous improvement while reducing the number of suppliers, streamlining the supply chain. Increased flexibility. Standardization minimizes setup times, further reduces inventory, simplifies supply chain management and internal logistics, and supports flexible manufacturing practices. Improved responsiveness. Enables build-to-order capabilities, ensures parts availability, and speeds up deliveries from suppliers, making the entire process more efficient and responsive to market demands. Manufacturing processes cater to different volumes and varieties of parts, each with distinct advantages. Job shops focus on customized products, such as unique furniture or specialized projects, leading to longer lead times due to their tailor-made nature. Example, a bespoke furniture shop crafting unique pieces for individual clients. Production cells segment manufacturing into units, concentrating on similar subassemblies, improving efficiency, and serving as building blocks for the final product. Example, an electronics plant with cells dedicated to circuit boards. Flexible Manufacturing System, FMS, uses computer tech for rapid setup changes, efficiently adapting to product or quantity shifts, reducing costs. Example, a factory with CNC machines adjusting setups for various parts on demand. Mixed lines support making small quantities of diverse products, allowing quick changes between setups and reducing inventory needs. Example, a snack factory easily switching between different product lines. Dedicated lines mass production produces large volumes of a limited product range, achieving low unit costs through economies of scale. Example, an automotive plant focused on a few car models. These methods address the spectrum of manufacturing needs, from custom jobs to mass production, optimizing cost and efficiency. The TIMWOODS acronym helps pinpoint waste and inefficiencies in processes. Now, let's break down this acronym. Transport and handling, unnecessary movement of items or information, like excessive emails or distributing irrelevant documents. Inventory, holding items before they're needed, leading to cluttered inboxes and unread emails. Unnecessary motion, excessive physical movement, like frequent trips to office equipment or searching for lost information. Waiting, delays due to slow technology, waiting for approvals or information. Overproduction, making more than needed, such as premature paperwork or orders. Overprocessing, inefficient processes, like re-entering data or producing unneeded reports. Defects, errors that require rework, including data mistakes or design flaws. Skills, underutilizing team talent, poor communication, or assigning tasks that don't match employee skills. For a coffee shop, the TIMWOODS wastes could manifest in the following ways. Transport and handling, moving coffee beans back and forth between storage and the counter unnecessarily. Inventory, stockpiling milk, coffee beans, or pastries that exceed demand, leading to spoilage or expired products. Unnecessary motion, baristas walking extra steps because of poorly organized workstations. Waiting, customers waiting for their orders due to slow coffee machines. Overproduction, brewing too much coffee that isn't sold, leading to waste or printing too many menus or promotional flyers. Overprocessing, entering every sale manually into a spreadsheet for tracking daily sales in addition to using a point-of-sale system that already captures this data. Feel free to drop your examples of defects or skills being underutilized in the comments section. Your insights will be invaluable in boosting the efficiency of our coffee shop. Value analysis is a smart way to make a product, service, or project better. It helps to cut costs and make customers happier. Here's how it works, with a coffee shop as an example. 1. Gathering information. This means learning all about what the project needs, how much it costs, what customers want, and any challenges. For a coffee shop, it involves checking sales data to see what customers like. 2. Analyzing functions. This step is about analyzing primary and secondary functions of a product or service. For the coffee shop, the main job is to serve great coffee and drinks. Extra services might be selling bakery items or coffee beans. Tools like quality function deployment and POO analysis help understand these functions better. 3. Being creative. This is about thinking of new and exciting ideas. For a coffee shop, this could be coming up with new seasonal drinks, starting a loyalty program, or using social media to attract customers. 4. Evaluating. Here, we look at the new ideas to see if they meet customer needs, save money, and are worth the risk. The Ora-Papa method helps decide by looking at the opportunities, risks, alternatives and improvements, past experience, analysis, people, alignment, and ethics. 5. Developing. The last part is about planning how to bring these ideas to life. This includes figuring out the costs and how much sales might go up. For the coffee shop, deciding on new drinks and a loyalty program means working out all the details to make sure it's a good move. This simple process helps improve value by focusing on what customers want and how to deliver it cost-effectively. Value analysis focuses on improving existing products and services, while value engineering is for creating new ones. A key tool in value engineering is the Kano model, developed in 1984 by Dr. Noriaki Kano. Let us consider 5 requirements of Kano model, using a coffee shop as an example. Attractive requirements. Features that can draw more customers and set the coffee shop apart from others, like offering a unique coffee blend not available elsewhere. It's a bonus, not a must-have, but can significantly boost customer interest. One-dimensional requirements, directly linked to customer satisfaction. For a coffee shop, this could be the quality of coffee. The better the coffee, the happier the customer. Mandatory requirements, basics that customers expect, such as cleanliness and hygiene in the coffee shop. Failing to meet these can lead to dissatisfaction. Indifferent requirements, elements that don't impact the customer's choice, such as the brand of coffee machine used, as long as it doesn't affect the taste or quality of the coffee served. Reverse requirements, features that might deter customers, like excessive popularity leading to long wait times, which might be good for the shop, but frustrating for customers wanting a quick coffee. The Kano model helps in identifying what truly matters to customers, guiding the development of new products or services to not only meet basic expectations, but also to delight and surprise them, all without unnecessary complexity or cost. Prioritizing stakeholders is key for project success, as they differ in importance. A useful tool for this is the Mendelow's Stakeholder Analysis Matrix, which sorts stakeholders by their interest and influence into 4 categories. High influence, high interest. These crucial stakeholders require frequent updates and close involvement. In a coffee shop project, This might include the owner and primary investors who are central to decision-making. High influence, low interest. Keep satisfied. They have significant power but limited interest. Keeping them satisfied with essential updates is important. For instance, local authorities overseeing the coffee shop's compliance with regulations. Low influence, high interest. Keep informed. Interested, yet with little control, this group should be kept well informed to maintain their engagement. Regular customers enthusiastic about the shop's updates are a good example. Low influence, low interest. Minimal effort. Minimal engagement is needed for stakeholders with little interest or influence, such as neighboring businesses indirectly affected by the coffee shop. This matrix helps manage stakeholder engagement efficiently by aligning communication efforts with each group's needs, ensuring everyone is appropriately informed and involved. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey. This marks the conclusion of the Defining Business Needs series. Subscribe to our channel for more entertaining and educational videos. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you really enjoyed our voyage. May your future endeavors be as exciting and successful as our adventure today.